Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're giving you an inside look at our dental office remodel. From fresh shelves and countertops to brand new panels and doors, we're transforming the space into a modern, welcoming environment. Let's take a quick tour.
So you're gonna do more drawers somewhere else, or that's it, right?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
So here you're not gonna put anything, right?
Oh, yeah, yes, a drawer. That's why.
Okay.
We're gonna put a shelf
Yeah,
there,
that's what I meant.
and another shelf there, and then a countertop there, and a countertop there, and that's it. One there,
Yeah,
a long one there, and you say you want it in white, right? White shelf.
We can do the same color, right?
You want the same color?
It will be nice if it's same color.
Okay.
Or you think it the white is better.
No, well, you can go white with the wall. I don't know.
White with the wall?
Yeah, because it's just a shelf.
Yeah.
Depends on what you want him to talk about, but it's white would look good there. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm just
Okay.
gonna...
You gonna turn off the light?
I'm going now anyway, I'm going now.
Okay.
Just let me take this to and come. So you have to turn on the alarm, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so I'm going now. Just a quick picture. Just a quick picture for my YouTube from the dental office. We just remodel it. We put on new doors and new panels on the side. And we're gonna change this little black and white color. Okay.
Thanks for joining us on this remodel update. We're excited to see the office coming together and can't wait to share the final results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on the new design. See you in the next update.